Life is an unpredictable journey, filled with silent battles and hidden storms. Often, we find ourselves on the verge of giving up. But throughout history, the wisest minds left behind echoes of light words that have the power to alter the course of human destiny. Here are 7 timeless rules of wisdom to rebuild your soul. Rule 1. The secret of perseverance. True triumph lies in the refusal to surrender. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb, yet he never saw it as defeat. He understood that every failure was simply a discovery of what didn't work. The depth of this truth is simple. Your ultimate failure is not falling, but refusing to stand back up. Rule 2. Cultivate your tomorrow. If you desire a better tomorrow, you must endure the labor of today. Abraham Lincoln, born into poverty, understood that the seeds of the future are sown in the present moment. If you waste your hours today, tomorrow will offer nothing but the heavy burden of regret. True growth requires consistency in the dark. Rule 3. Master of the mind. When the body screams to stop, the mind must command you to continue. The legendary boxer Muhammad Ali entered the ring with a tired body, but his mind refused to acknowledge defeat. True strength does not reside in your muscles. It lives in your unbreakable will. Master your mind, and the impossible becomes your reality. Rule 4. The crucible of hardship. Ease blinds us, but hardship defines us. The philosopher Socrates taught that difficult times are the true mirror of human character. Anyone can look virtuous when life is comfortable, but your true strength is revealed only when the world crumbles around you. You choose to stand tall with patience and resilience. Rule 5. Wake up for your dreams. To transform a dream into reality, you must first awaken. To dream is effortless, but to manifest that dream requires you to sacrifice the comfort of sleep. The bridge between imagination and achievement is built with the sweat of sleepless nights and endless days of dedication. Rule 6. Actions define the dreamer. Successful souls are not merely dreamers. They are relentless doers. Walt Disney faced endless rejections and crushing bankruptcies, yet he kept moving. A dream remains an illusion until it is baptized in action and stained with the blood, sweat, and tears of execution. Rule 7. The eternal student. Never allow your mind to stop learning. Knowledge is a boundless ocean, and the day you stop seeking it is the day your soul begins to wither. As Mahatma Gandhi implied, live as if you were to die tomorrow, but learn as if you were to live forever. Every sunset carries a lesson. Do not let it pass in ignorance. The conclusion: life was never promised to be easy, but within your soul lie the treasures of hard work, patience, hope, and courage. Do not just listen to these truths. Embody them, for light always triumphs after the deepest dark.